Sanibona babafethu. Ilanga nje selishonile. Sesiyolala. Uyekethisa lo nijwayele ukumbiza ngomsawejiji. Bafethu, angiqondile ukunixina. Ngalesi sigameko sikababa uNyambosa. Yabo? Angiqondile ukunixina ngaso, but I have ama-questions. And ama-questions lawa angazi ukuthi ubani oyowa-answerisha. Yabo? One, ngisacela ukubuza. ISouth Africa iyiphi? ISouth Africa nje, and ngibuza because iSouth Africa ngibuza kwi-executive lesiphethe noma i-administration lesiphethe. Yabo? So according to knowledge enginayo, umuntu oshone nge-suicide akanikezwa i-state funeral. Okay? Umuntu oshone nge-suicide akanikezwa i-state funeral. You don't qualify for a-state funeral if kuwukuthi ushone nge-suicide. Now, i-theory isayodwa. And ngisho ukuthi investigation is still going on. But the conclusion was uNathi Mthethwa usuke ku-22nd floor wayiphonsa ebhilidini. You understand? From 22nd floor wayiphonsa ebhilidini. Now, i-question yami ke ithi, if kuwukuthi yona nto eyalethwa kunina and i-report, phela i-report oyaye uyisebenzise yile onikezwa yona, not up until kuze kube ukuthi a new report that contradicts le report which is at hand kuwena is being given. Now, if kuwukuthi the current conclusion says uNathi Mthethwa committed suicide, how was he afforded a state funeral? How? Unikwa kanjani na i-state funeral if kuwukuthi wa commit suicide? Because i-report ayikho engisinayo. I-theory sathi njengamanje he jumped from the 22nd floor. So how is it that uNathi Mthethwa ubani lo approve i-state funeral la eSouth Africa for someone who committed suicide? Because i-state bekufanele sithi ay ngiyama mina ngoba i-theory isathi he committed suicide. If kuwukuthi he didn't commit suicide, then I will be able to change ingqondo yami nami as a state if kuwukuthi la amalentuza ama-investigation asaqhubeka lapha. Guys, asingenziwa ingane sisibone. Asingenziwa nje ingane size sibone. How? The question is, how was he afforded a state funeral when the report says he committed suicide? He committed suicide, dang it? And suicide is not covered by state. It's not covered by state. You are not covered if kuguti uzbulele. And then if funeral yako will never be a state funeral if kuguti you have killed yourself. So the question is, how was this one? Because the only theory esanayo eyokuthi he committed suicide. So how was he afforded a state funeral? How did they got to in conclusion that this wasn't iLentuza suicide? Because people that were there has concluded that it was suicide. He jumped from the 22nd floor. So when as a state, how do you contradict something from the experts of the foreign country? How do you contradict and say, hayi ngeke mina angikholwa ukuthi lo muntu uzibulele then ngizomnika state funeral? But it's okay. we'll take whatever lokho esikulentuzayo. Hey, bangithumike nami uphuthu. But anyway, umbuzo umile.